If your Windows setup feels cluttered and distracting, let's fix it. Today, we're building this ultra-clean, minimalist black and white workspace to completely reset your focus. Here's how to do it. First, right-click on your desktop, hover over View, and uncheck Show Desktop icons to give us that clean, baseline look. Next, grab this custom wallpaper from the link in the description. Once you've downloaded it, just right-click the image in your File Explorer and hit Set as Desktop Background. Now, head over to the official Rainmeter website using the link below, download the tool, and run the installer. Rainmeter comes with a few default widgets out of the box, but we won't be needing them today. Just right-click on each one and hit Unload Skin to completely clear your canvas. Now for the actual aesthetic upgrade. Head down to the description and click on the link for the Stellar Widget Pack. Hit Download to get the .armskin file. Once it's downloaded, double-click the file and let Rainmeter install the skin for you. It might look a bit scattered at first, so go ahead and unload these temporary pieces because we're going to select exactly what we need from the manager. Open up your system tray, right-click the Rainmeter icon, and click Manage. Expand the Stellar folder on the left. For our layout, go into the Music subfolder. Select the cover art skin and hit Load. Repeat this for the system stats and weather widgets. Now, you can easily drag and snap them into place. I prefer stacking them neatly in the top left corner for a modern, asymmetrical look. To finish up the performance monitoring, we're grabbing these beautiful nothing-style widgets called Not Widgets. Head over to the GitHub Releases page link below and download the skin file. Run the installer. Unload this default widget. Go back into your Rainmeter Manager and open the Not Widgets folder. Load up the dock version of both the battery and system monitor. Then slide them right into the bottom right corner. Now for the centerpiece of this entire look, the elegant desktop clock. Go ahead and click the Lampo clock link in the description. Scroll down to the download section and grab the file. Open up your downloads folder. Extract the zip file. And run the clock file to let Rainmeter install it. If it doesn't pop up on your screen right away, don't worry. Just jump back into your Rainmeter Manager like we did before. Look for the Lampo folder, open up Time, select the skin file, and hit Load. Once the clock is loaded, just drag it right into the center of your screen. Next up, we need to completely overhaul the Windows taskbar and layout. Head down to the description and download a tool called ZEON UI. Run the installer. Pick your language, and let the setup wizard do its thing. When it first loads, you'll notice a default theme kicks in, and it might even overwrite your wallpaper. To fix that, just right-click the new top bar, jump into the settings, and toggle off the wallpaper option. Make sure to hit save so your black and white background comes right back. Now, let's make it look premium. Click on the Resources tab, head to Themes, and use the link provided to download the rounded toolbar layout. While you're there, go back to the page, search for Material Dock, and grab that as well. Once it applies, we'll want to scale the dock up just a bit so it stands out nicely at the bottom. The default colors won't match our minimalist look, so click the gear icon next to the theme to tweak the settings. For the primary color, type in C3D86 and drop the opacity down to 71%. For the secondary color, slide the opacity all the way down to 0%. And change the final accent color to pure white. Just make sure you select the Customize Color preset before hitting save. And just like that, you have a gorgeous, floating top bar and dock. Next, let's add a clean, semi-transparent frost effect to the File Explorer. Head over to this GitHub page and download the zip file from the Releases section. Once it's downloaded, click the archive and extract all the files into a save folder. Open up that folder. Right-click the register file and run it as administrator. Accept the quick system warnings. Let it run, and your transparent File Explorer is good to go. And that is how you build a completely custom, distraction-free desktop setup. If this video helped you upgrade your workspace, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment with your favorite widget, and hit that subscribe button for more tech content. See you in the next one.